Oh, a rock. Hey, fuck you.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, gosh. Oh, beans. There we go. Uh-oh. Oh, we're WarioWare. Wario Land. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. We're fine. Okay, that's all I gotta say about that.
What? Hmm. What?
Hair Shrieker?
Hmm.
Was that the name of the boss? Oh, dainty stairs. Hello. Glance. What? So, what you up to? Are you trying to be a dumbass? Hmm. Bad timing? The worst. Seriously. What's the deal with this place? Oh, JJ, you okay? No. FK wants to help you. You're an idiot. Just leave me alone. Oh, creepy. Oh, Emily, JJ, just so you know, I really do want to go on a trip around the world. Sweet. Me too. Where do you want to go? Thailand, maybe? I want to ride a tuk-tuk. What's that? Look it up. Picture. Ooh, looks cool. Eee. Other than that, Italy might be nice. Yeah. Pizza and pasta. Gelato and tiramisu. All we think about is food, lol. Seriously. I want to go camping too. Sweet! Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Super happy. Aww. It could be un adventure, as they say in French. Emily, do you know what that word really means? Nope. Oh. Let's make plans to go camping. Okay, let's do it. Read. Mom, did you consider what we spoke about regarding your career? Sorta. Come on now, sweetie. You need to get your head together. You've made it all the way to the university level. You don't want to go all that to go to waste, do you? You need to find a good company to apply to. And whatever you do, you can't decide on a company simply from how it appears. You need to find a company that will give you a jump start on a good career. A good company is, oh man, fuck capitalism. Ah, a good company is one that will allow you to get certifications and write on your resume just what sort of contributions you've made. There's no telling how long a company will last these days. You need to find a place that will put you at an advantage in case you need to transfer somewhere else. Jackie? 0. K. Okay. I already found a new few potential companies for you to look at. I'll send you the list later, so take a look and consider them, even just for an internship. Once you experience what it's like to work at a couple real companies, you'll understand exactly what I'm talking about. Yes, ma'am. Jeez.
Darn it.
D- ah!
Emily, where are you?
Please, Emily, those rocks. Thank you.
Is anyone there?
Donk. Hey, there we go. Oh, I didn't mean to. Jesus, I'm sorry. Let me regrow my skin real quick. Oh, that's not going away. Well, okay. Yeah. It hurts. I know. I'm sorry. What if we just could be on fire, though?
Hey! Hello?
Oh! Oh! Thank you, Ghost Donut. Oh no! That was too much. Well, before I stop being on fire. Oh, sorry. I didn't come all the way back together. All I did was put out the fire. How do I do this? There you go. Goodbye, buddy. Splat! Ghost, come on, you didn't have a donut for me? What was that? Ooh! A chain! That could be a donut. Chains are like little metal donuts. Donut boy! I'm sorry, Ghost. You had many donuts. Also, wow, that's pretty. Abby, how are things going with your boyfriend? Bleh. Really? How long has it been for you two? Almost a year. That's pretty long. Yeah. Why is it bleh? Because I realized he's kind of a wuss. Hmm? He blames other people for his own mistakes. That kind of sucks. No way! For example, he blames his professors when he gets bad grades. Oh, he's a gamer. And if I get on his case about anything, he makes this face like he's about to cry. Wow. He really didn't seem that way at first. Yeah, but that's how that shit goes. Are you gonna break it off? Well, he's definitely not my type anymore. I'm still thinking. Oh. I hope things end well, whatever you decide. Yup. Yo, JJ! What you up to? Studying in the library. Nerd. I doing his voice earlier hurt my throat. I think too much studying makes you stupider. Shut the fuck up. I want this. I want this emote. What are you up to, Philip? Making a new video. About what? Review of a new supplement. A supplement? You sure it's not some weird experimental drug? Imbecile. Durr, of course not. It's a supplement that boosts your kinetic vision and reflex. Oh no, he's got fucking brain juice. Gotta make sure my trigger finger's popping when I record my shooter videos. So professional. God, I hate this guy. And humble. Wait, is this her boyfriend? Jackie, is Professor Graham's class hard? We get a lot of homework, but the class itself is fun. Oh. I work part-time, so I don't want too much homework. Where do you work? At the pizza place! The one right next to school. Oh, cool. I'll stop by sometime. No! Their pizza's really bad! I would never want to eat there. It tastes like barf. Rotten barf. No way. Ew. Promise me you won't come inside. Okay. I'll just peek in the window. No! I think she's just embarrassed. Hi, Professor Goodman. Would you mind if I asked you a personal question? Go right ahead. Why did you decide to become a product designer? I'm not really sure myself, but you know much about the Star Wars? Oh, God. Can you believe they fired Gina Carano? Sorta. The first Star Wars movie came out when I was a child. While everyone was going crazy over the action scenes and the characters, I fell in love with the way their tools were designed. Nerd. Lightsabers, blasters, the interface on their spaceships. Even when I started watching other sci-fi movies, the Star Wars designs remained special to me. It was my childish fascination with those things that led me to study design, product design to be precise. That's not even the right word. So it all started with movies. That's right. I especially love the laser blasters that often appear in sci-fi movies. In fact, I still buy replicas and tinker around with them. Sounds really nerdy. My wife hates them. Old things all look like garbage to her. Professor, I think I know how you feel. Hmm? Philip would absolutely be the one like, Disney's canceled for canceling her, blah 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 blah. Sorry. Okay, we got cheats also. JJ costume glasses. Okay. Do we have glasses now? I can't really tell. Whee! We're fine. You posted the emote in the Discord? Nice. Thank you, thank you. I didn't know what to expect with this game. Space! But it wasn't this.
First time watching
No,
your
shit.
stream and I have been lurking since Author Blues rated you, but this game is so fucked up and I am enjoying myself so much I felt you needed a cheer.
Thank you so much for the bits, Katie Cat, and that's very nice of you. Oh, I'm glad you're enjoying yourself. I hope you're having a good evening. Ah! Oh, Jesus! What the fuck? Baby! Baby! Baby from Toy Story, get off of me! Well? I guess it wants us to be ahead. Oh, Jesus! Fuck. Oh! Head secret! Oh, the head controls kind of funny. What? Oh, oh, there we go. Oh, wait, shit. Do we have to go through here? What? I'm little busy at the moment. Sup? Who the fuck? Ugh. But it's really me, FK. Stop bugging me. But I can't. Shut the fuck up. Because FK is your friend. I'm seriously worried. Is that a potato eating a donut? Can I text you again later? Yap, yap, yap. Gotcha. Cool, cool. I kind of want to... God, those fucking spider babies are very creepy. Nope. Nope. Fuck off forever. No! No, 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 no! Forever, I said! Jesus Christ. These are the worst thwomps. No. Come on. Go away.
Hello? Woohoo!
Oh, okay. I don't think we can avoid it. I think we have to come from the top right there to get this. Yeah, I don't like these at all. What about this donut? If I toss a... Oh, no, my leg. No, no, no! No! Why'd you...
Who's there? Who's there?
These fucking creepy-ass babies. God. Why couldn't you have broken off my arm? No! Come on, I'm gonna throw it. No! JJ! I have an idea. What if we crawl into it? There we go. The arm is easier to deal with. We are better at throwing somehow. Alright, head me. Yeah, I think the babies are making the music. I don't like it.
Who's there?
Roop, roop, roop. Okay. Did we get more texts? Fuck, we did. Hmm? What's up? Remember the clock tower? The game? Of course. You remember what I told you to? Yes. I wanted to apologize. Hmm? I mean, I still don't know that much about you. I guess I sort of jumped to conclusions. Emily, do you miss me? Yeah, I guess. Don't worry. We'll always be together. Remember our promise? Yeah. I'm glad I got to hear how you really feel. It feels like we're really together now. Yeah. Aww. Together forever. I like that picture. Love! Jackie, what? How's college? How are Professor Goodman's classes going? Good, I guess. They're fun and he's a nice person. Why? I was just checking up on his education policies. Hmm? I also looked up his CV. Did you know he switched schools 3 times over the past 5 years? It got me thinking. Maybe he's some sort of problematic teacher? Huh? What are you doing? Just double checking things. I'm leaving my one and only child in his care, so I have a right to check up on him, don't I? I don't want your time there to end up negatively impacting your future. He's a good professor. He even said that he transferred here because he wanted to put more priority on his actual job as an industrial designer. Now stop being nosy, or else I'll never be able to introduce you to him. You don't need to pussyfoot around for those people. You're gifted. You're not like other kids. God, Jesus. You need to find an advanced program capable of giving you the education you need. Understand? Yeah, that's right. You get couch potatoed. Yeah, that's a bit much. Oh, legs. Can I borrow these? Do I want to borrow them? I don't know what I'm doing yet. Whoop! Ooh, a hand. Whoop! So I need to get fire over here somehow if I want to get that donut boy. Oops.
Emily, where are you?
But how do I... Oh! Okay. No, no, my hand! Gotta hand it to me. Oh! Well, we definitely need to get this off first. Wooha! Oh, that kind of works. Hey, thank you. Oh, there's a lantern up there.
Who's there?
Whoop! Oh, are you gonna knock down the fire for me? That's probably the good. Oh!
Is anyone there?
I need 2. Oh! 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 Okay, okay. I have an idea. Now that this is on the floor, I can push this onto it. Wait. This isn't gonna be enough, is it?
Emily?
No.
Where are you?
Shit. Wait, what?
Woohoo!
No, 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 no. Stay, stay, no. How is this? We're gonna need to lay off the donuts. Okay. Sure.
Emily? Where are you?
Alright, we'll push 2 blocks on. For now. That better be enough, okay. What? No. There we go. She's like, I can't push the legs. There we go. Wait, how many have a hand? 5? Do I have to have 5 body parts? Oh, I see you up there, you fucker.
Is anyone there?
Ah. Could I bury myself? Jesus, that's gruesome. Boing, boing.
Hello, can you hear me?
No, 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 no.
Hello?
Major hemorrhage. We need the transfusion now. How many hemorrhage?
I don't like that.
Cardiac arrest. Cardiac.
What are these? Oh, Jesus! Oh, that was my body parts. I I set a trap for myself. I don't know where the other body parts are for this guy. They can't be... No?
Hello? Emily, where are you?
Can I crawl under this fuck? Oops.
Emily, where are you?
Hey, get dunked on, nerd. Idiot. Baby.
Hello?
That
Who's
didn't actually
there?
matter.
Can you hear me?
God, that guy's creepy.
Can you hear me? Major hemorrhage. We need a transfusion now. How many hemorrhage?
Oh, there's
Cardiac arrest.
there's his head. Okay.
Cardiac arrest.
What order do I want to do this in?
Danger. Please set back. Foo. Foo. Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
No, I can't hurry you.
Major hemorrhage. We need a transfusion now. How many hemorrhage? Cardiac arrest. Cardiac arrest. Danger.
Is anyone there?
Come on.
Please set back. Foo.
Yeah. Hey, okay, I did it right.
Hello, can you hear me?
Oh, I thought his chuck fell off.
Major hemorrhage. We need a transfusion now.
I'm sorry, doctor.
How
Your penis cannot be saved.
Cardiac arrest.
Can I walk in the? Oh, I can walk in the background.
Cardiac arrest.
Oh fuck! God damn it! I was trying to fucking see him. Oh. Oh, this is gonna be shitty. I just need that head. Ah, thank you. Get in there. I do not like those babies. Oh, and here we go. Whee! Yeah, as I could tell, I needed 5. Whoosh. Alright, put me on fire. Whoa! Yeah, I know. No! Oh. Alright. Set this up, I guess. Boing, boing. Actually, I guess it doesn't really matter as long as I jump better. Jesus! Yeah, real frail. Break easy. Suck. Okay. Just gotta jump better. Yeah, there we go. Wait, what? Oh, okay, I gotta... Well... No! Oh, fuck! Now I gotta go all the way around because I didn't push the box off. Well, shit. I don't know. Bonk. Alright. One last time through the head tunnel. Woo! 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 Whoop! Yep! Yep! Oh! Yep! Yep! Alright, time to be on fire! Ah! You can't touch me, stupids! I'm on fire! They can touch me. I'm on fire.